Once upon a time, there was a kind Brahmin who lived in a small village. One day he received a healthy goat as a gift from a rich man. The Brahmin was very happy. He thanked the man and started walking home with the goat on his shoulders. On the way, three clever tricksters saw him carrying the goat. They wanted to steal it. They made a plan to fool the Brahmin. The first trickster stood beside the road. When the Brahmin came near, he laughed and said, "Why are you carrying a dirty dog on your shoulders, respected sir?" The Brahmin was surprised. "Are you blind?" he replied. "This is a goat, not a dog." The trickster pretended to be shocked and said, "If you say so," and walked away. The Brahmin continued his journey, but he felt a little confused. A short distance later, the second trickster appeared. He looked at the animal and said, "Sir, why are you carrying a deaf calf on your shoulders? It is not proper for a holy man." The Brahmin became worried. "What nonsense! This is a goat." The second trickster shook his head and walked away. Now the Brahmin started doubting himself. He looked carefully at the goat, but it still seemed to be a goat. Soon he met the third trickster. The man covered his nose and cried, "Oh, holy sir, why are you carrying a filthy dog? Everyone is laughing at you." Hearing the same thing from three different people, the Brahmin became frightened. He thought, perhaps this animal is not really a goat. Maybe it is some evil spirit that appears like a goat. In fear, he threw the goat to the ground and ran away as fast as he could. The three tricksters quickly came together, picked up the goat, and happily carried it away. That evening they enjoyed a fine meal and laughed about how easily they had fooled the Brahmin. The end of the story. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.